Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now I would like to talk about Newton's forward method. For the brief description of work, Newton's forward method is a numerical interpolation method used to approximate the value of a function at a given point based on known values of the function at other points. It is particularly useful for interpolating values of the function near the beginning of the sets of known values. And now for the problem statement, we want to find an equation of distance of the route, and this is the route that we choose, Taman Tasik Section 7 Shah Alam, and this is the data that we have collected.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Izhar Aikal, and now I will explain about our method, which is the Newton forward method. So right now, we already include our data, which is the xi, function of si, and the first derivative and the second derivative. So si we conclude as a distance, and function si we conclude as a time. So from this data, we already get our distance, our time. So we only gonna key in our first derivative and then our second derivative. Okay, next we put our data in our equation, which is we need to find our P1x until we get our P12x, because we plot until 12 point. So our P1x, we use the equation of fx f naught plus f x naught s1 x minus x naught plus f s naught s1 x2 x minus s naught and times with x minus x1. So then we get our P1x, which is negative 8.06325.126x squared plus 11.15933x. Then we use this formula to until we get P12x. Okay, from this slide, we still use the same equation. So in this slide, we get for our P4x, P5x, and P6x. This is also use the same equation. So we get our equation for P7x, P8x, and P9x. Okay, this is also the same equation also. So we get our P10x, P11x, and P12x. So right now, we already get our full equation for this problem statement.
Benefit to society and community. The Newton forward method is often used in scientific research for data analysis and computing. Engineers frequently use interpolation technique like the Newton forward method for designing and analyzing systems. Lastly, in the financial and economic sector, interpolation is used to estimate value between known financial data points. Benefit to industry. First and foremost, the method is used to predict and analyze the performance of aircraft and automobiles. In the energy sector, interpolation is crucial for estimating resources value like wind speed, solar radiation, or reservoir characteristics. Last but not least, interpolation techniques are used to estimate climate variable and pollutant levels between measurement points. Overall, Newton forward method is a powerful tool that has made significant contribution to society and community. It has tools that continues to be used by scientists, engineers, economists, and many others. Thank you very much.